Now class, today we will do questions of exercise 7b. Open your books and look at the question number 16. So question number 16 says, sum of 500 is in the form of denominations of 5 and 10. It means sum of 500 in the form of rupees 5 and rupees 10. If the total number of notes is 90. Total notes are 90. Find the notes of each type. Find the note of each type. What does it mean? This says you have total 500 rupees. Total rupees 500. वो 500 रुपीज़ 5 रुपये और 10 रुपीज़ के नोट के फॉर्म में है. टोटल नोट्स आर 90. Equals to 90, right? Now find the note of each type. We have to find how many notes we have of rupees 5 and how many notes of rupees 10 we have. So we can write it as, let 5 rupees note be X and 10 rupees note be, total notes were 90, so this will be 90 minus x, right? 5 के नोट्स हमारे पास x हैं और 10 के 90 minus x है. Now the sum of their numbers. See, 5 रुपये के 1 नोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 1 नोट्स वैल्यू विल बी 5. रुपीज़ 5 के 2 नोट्स की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? इट विल बी 2 into 5. 3 नोट्स की वैल्यू विल बी 3 into 5. सो x नोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? x into 5. सो 5 के x नोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 5x. सिमिलरली 10 के 90 माइनस x नोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? सी 10 के एक नोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? इट विल बी 10. रुपीज़ 10 के 2 नोट्स की वैल्यू वी विल हैव 2 into 10. 3 नोट्स की वैल्यू 3 into 10. x नोट की वैल्यू 90 माइनस x नोट्स की वैल्यू 10 into 90 माइनस x, राइट? सो 5x प्लस 10 90 माइनस x. टोटल सम कितना है रुपीज़ का? It is 500. So it will be equal to 500. Now solve it. Will be 900 minus 10x. So 5x minus 10x equals to 500 minus 900. It is minus 5x minus 400. So from here we get 400 upon minus 5. X minus cancel. It is 80. So x value is 80, which means how many notes we have of rupees 5? Rupees 5 notes are 8 and rupees 10. Rupees 10 notes, 90 minus x, that is 90 minus 8, it will be 72. Okay? This is the answer. Now, let's move on to the next question. Question number 17 is similar. You can do it by yourself. Now, let's move on to the question number 18. Question number 18 says, question number 18, it says, sorry class, question number 8, Raju is 19 years older than his cousin. Raju is 19 years older than his cousin. After 5 years, their ages will be in ratio. After 5 years, their ages will be in ratio 2:3. Find their ages. Find their present ages. So let assume first see, Raju is 19 year older than his cousin. Raju अपने cousin से बड़ा है 19 years. So let the cousin's age. cousin की एज हम एज्यूम करेंगे x. नाउ अगर अब cousin x है तो राजू उससे 19 years older है. That means Raju's age will be 19 plus x. Okay. After 5 years मीन्स 5 साल बाद. सो कज़न की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? कज़न्स एज विल बी x plus 5 एंड राजूज एज विल बी 19 plus x plus 5 बिकॉज उनकी 5 साल बाद 5 साल एज बढ़ जाएगी. नाउ they are saying their ages will be in ratio. So there these it will be 19 plus 5, it will be 24 plus x. So they will be in ratio 2:3. Now do the cross multiplication and find the answer. 2 into 24 plus x, 3 into x plus 5. I am removing the question. Solve it. 2 into 24, 48 plus 2x, 3x plus 15. So 48 minus 15 equals to 3x minus 2x. It is 33x. So x is 33. That means cousin's age कितनी है? Cousin's age x. Sorry, was x. That means 33 years. And Raju was 19 years older. So Raju's age we assume. Raju's age was x plus 19. So it is 33 plus 19. That is 52 years. Okay. Now move on to the question number 20. 19th question is similar to the question number 18. You can do by yourself. Now move on to the question number 20. So 20 question says age of Sunil and Manoj are in ratio 7:5. Manoj Sonal and Manoj, sorry. Age of Sonal and Manoj, that is in the ratio of 7:5. 10 year hence. 10 year hence, that means after 10 years. That means 10 years we will plus the ratio of their ages. The new ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Now find their ages. Initially their ages is 7 and 5. Ratio is 7 into 5. So let the age of सोनल की एज कितनी एज्यूम करते हैं 7x एंड एज ऑफ मनोज बी 5x. Now after 10 years means in both the ages 10 will be added. So the new ratio will be 9:7. Okay, now this is your equation. Solve it, multiply them. It will be 7 into 7x plus 10, 9 into 5x plus 10. So it will be 7x plus 70, 45x plus 90. 7x minus, we'll send it here. Sorry, 7 7s are 49. Class, this will be 49. So 49x minus 45x, 90 minus 70. It will be 4x equals to 20. So x equals to 20 divided by 4. It is 5. Now हमने सोनल की एज क्या एज्यूम की थी? सोनल्स एज इज 7x, राइट? सोनल्स एज 7x and x is equals to 5. So her age is 35 years. And Manoj age was 5x, that is 5 into 5, 25 years. Okay. Sonal's age is 35 years and Manoj age is 25 years. Now you can do the question number 21. 22 by yourself. We will do question number 23. Question number 23 is saying, in our examination hall, students require 40% of the marks to pass. So the passing marks are, doing question number 23. Passing marks, they are given in the percent, 40%. Rupa gets 185 marks. How many marks Rupa get? Rupa gets 185 marks and fails by, fail हो गई वो और उसके नंबर कितने कम थे? She gets 15 number less than the passing marks. Find the total number. We have to find the total number. Now student, here you can see passing marks were 40%. रूपा के अगर कितने आए हैं? रूपा gets 185 marks but she is failed and she failed by 15 numbers. That means she get 15 number less than the passing marks. So passing marks हम यहाँ से पता लगा सकते हैं. passing marks will be 185 plus 15, right? So it will be 200. That means 200 are the passing marks. Now we have to find 40%. So the total number. Let the total number be x. Now 40% of x is 200. Now total marks में से 40% ही passing marks है. 40% passing marks कितने हैं? 200, right? Now find it out. We remove the percent sign. Whenever you remove this percent sign, you put 100 in denominator into x equals to 200. Now to find the value of x, we will send this whole term on the other side of the equal to sign and this will be in division. Now when you divide it, it will be 100 upon 40. So x equals to 500. This is the total marks. So the total marks are 500. Now let's move on to